Hey YouTube, I lost first round and he thinks that it just goes straight to search. But we played 2 rounds of Domination. Bam, not there. Alright, and if you look at the rules right here, it says, what does it say? Domination. Domination consists of 2 rounds. Alright, ready? Domination matches will consist of 2 rounds. 1 round played from each spawn. Scores will be added together to determine the winner. When the 10th score, the match must be played. As you can see, he's not coming. Second map. I'll just show 5 minutes of this. I'll make sure you can see his name. Keep inviting him. Nuketown, Domination, this is Smitty. YouTube, I actually won first round. CMRS, I should say. I won first round. He does not want to come to second round Dom. What? Wait. Just gonna invite him until it says 5 minutes. And then, yes, he does host Search and Destroy. I'm pretty sure. Let me check. Don't touch it. He deleted me, look. As you can see, YouTube, he deleted me. He's trying to invite me to second map, which there is 5 minutes. I'll make sure I spell his name right. You is Ratchet. Okay, you is Ratchet.